Good day guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss lowest common multiples. So this lowest common multiple is known as the LCM. If you are asked to find the LCM of a particular number, so this is the best way you are going to follow to find an LCM number. But before we proceed, if you are new in this channel, please try to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure to hit the notification bell for more videos. Assuming we are given 8a and 6a, so these are two numbers, so we are giving them to find the LCM of these two numbers. So it is very simple. Therefore we have 8a equals to, so we are going to start with our 8a. So definitely we are going to say 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 8. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 equals to 8. Then times a. So we have finished with this 8. The second one is 6a. So therefore 2 times 3 equals to 6. So times the a. So here we go. So we have finished with this. So our LCM equals to, so here we have 2, here we have 2. So we are going to take only 1, 2. So 2 times, here we have 2. Again we are going to take 2. And the other one we have 2. We are going to take 2. So we are going to jump these two, since they are alike. So we are not going to take these two. We are going to take the next number, which is 3. So times 3, then times a. So here is our LCM. So therefore 2 times 2 equals to 4. 4 times 2 equals to 8. 8 times 3 equals to 24. So 24a. So our LCM equals to 24a. This is our final answer, and a simpler way to get LCM of a particular number. So thank you guys for watching our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you hit the notification icon for more videos.